China has finally showed off its most advanced fighter aircraft with domestic-made engines, a significant milestone as Beijing pushes the capabilities of its J-20 stealth jets in a bid to rival the United States F-22. The pair of twin-engine J-20s that put on a show for crowds at Airshow China in the southern city of Zhuhai on Tuesday were equipped with the WS-10 engine. The WS-10 was developed by the People's Liberation Army Air Force to replace Russian engines that were in early versions of the J-20. In June, the state-run Global Times tabloid said a unit of the J-20s equipped with the domestically developed engines had been activated in the country's northeast region, with China's central television showing images of the planes flying in an event commemorating the 100th anniversary of the Communist Party.